In today's guide video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio for data analysis. If you ever wanted to analyze data without writing complex formulas, Google AI Studios can help you out. First things first, head over to Google AI Studios and make sure that you log in. Before starting, make sure you select the correct model, which is on the top right of the screen. For better answers in data analysis, you can select the 2.5 Pro. Now, once you've done that, you can copy in small dataset, maybe from a CSV file or a research report, and then paste in a sample of it directly into the prompt. So you can give in a prompt something like this after you've added in the CSV file or the research report. Once you click on run, Gemini will instantly process it and give you a clean and understandable summary. You can also refine your queries by asking in things such as visualization or the forecast for next month. Once you're happy with what you have or the setup, you can click on the Get Code option on the top right and use the same logic in Python or JavaScript as well. So if you're new to data analysis or just need a quick insight, this is a super easy way to get started. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.